In this tutorial, we're going to look at how you edit buyer activity against a client and also how you can edit that feedback against a property. First of all, let's go to an existing buyer that I have in my database. Once you are on a buyer record, you can go to the activity section. Now, the 4 different levels of interest are inquiries, inspections, contracts, and offers. This is where you can record all of these against your buyer, which will then link to that particular property. Here we can see that I have an inquiry already added for 36 Millowar Street, Toles Point. If I wanted to edit part of this inquiry, all I would need to do is hit the edit option. For this inquiry to open up on the right hand side of the screen, changes can then be made and we can hit the edit inquiry option to save those changes. This will work across all 4 areas of your buyer activity. We can see the edit option in the inspections, in the contract, and also in the offers section. For example, in 36 Millowar, we want to edit the feedback that they've given us, and we want to add that into the vendor feedback. So we'll add in some more now. So we've now added in an extra sentence there at the bottom. Would like to keep looking, and we'll keep it on the short list for now. We then hit the edit inspection option. This will then update the inspection, and we can see the extra notes have now been added against this property. If we now go to the actual property in the property section and search for 36 Millowar, we can go into that particular property and go to the activity section, where again we can see all of the inquiries, the inspections, the contract, and the offers. On any of these given screens, you are able to go into that particular tab and use the edit option to edit the details of that particular record. Once you've finished making your changes, use the edit button at the bottom of the screen to update those changes against that particular property.